Welcome back to Tom's Garage. Hello everybody. Good morning. Ooh. Today, all day, today, we have got ourselves a Toro 22-inch recycler. Pow! There it is. Rear-wheel drive with the personal pace. You see it way up there? This one's got the old Tecumseh engine on it. Still runs pretty good. Here. All right, man. Today we are going to replace the gears in the rears. The silk propel works, man, but it just grinds and jumps. Yep. So let's get busy and replace the gears in the rear wheels. All right. All righty. 1/2 inch. Backing plate. Don't lose your little washer. The gears look to be in pretty good shape. It's just these gears here are wore out. And that's what we're going to replace today. Little gear. The little gear. I'll get you a close up of that. Yeah. Well, it comes with these little doohickeys. These two little doohickeys. Comes with the gear, springs, and the keyway. Similar to a Honda. Same principle. Same principle. Grab your little screwdriver. Pop off the little external lead clip. I'll get my screwdriver in there. Oh, let's see. I think I'll use something else. Use something else. I can't get the screwdriver in there. Here we go. Pow! It comes with all this hardware, so we're going to replace it. All new hardware. Okay, I'm going to put it in line, line it up on the table just as it come off. That way I won't forget how it goes back on. You got to remember that goes just like that. The flat part always goes forward. Spin it around. Get the key out. Little key. Now where is that spring? That spring's not even working good. It's probably collapsed or broke. Let me get a light. Let me turn the light on so you can see it better. Dig that little spring out of there. I know it's in there, I can see it. There it goes. A little spring. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on that too, because I can tell that it had grease on it before. It's just very dry. Clean that out. All right, we can pull this one off. Get this one off. Ooh. Well, hammer and tappy. That was going to be a little harder to get off. There it goes. There's another one. And you got this one. And that's the bushing. I ain't taking nothing else off. Okay. Blow out any debris left in there. All right, let me find some grease. I got a little bit left. Okay, let's see. Little dab of grease. Well, I need to put all that stuff back on there first though, before I go cramming out on getting ahead of myself. Getting ahead of myself. All right, we'll start with this. A new one. We'll start with this. Brand new one. Make sure it's all the way down. It is. This. Then we'll put a little dab of grease on there. There's that spring with a little dab of grease. With a little dab of grease. Good enough. And put the little key back in there. Just like that, hold still. Now we'll get the new gear. And like I said, that flat part goes forward. Am I right? Yeah, like that. That's the direction you want it. Otherwise it won't pull. Okay. Okay, let's see. We got this one. Goes on like that. And then we'll pop this back on. Like that. Uh-oh. I bet that was potential spam. That's why it immediately hung up. We hold that axle. Grab me a pair of pliers. I want to hold the axle. Uh-oh. Now that's money. Alrighty, I got the axle held, and I want to make sure this thing spins backwards. It's kind of tight, the little, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there it goes. She's free. Oh, okay. All right, now we'll put the wheel back on. Ooh, she feels much gooder. Feels much gooder. Let's do the same thing on this side. Do the same thing on this side. Let me make sure this mower ain't fixing to fall off the table. You gotta hang on to it, boy. Shine a little light on the wheel. Oop, there's that bolt. Oh boy. Okay. Got the tools over here. Oop. There's that. There's that spacer. Yeah, you can see the difference. How it just gets wore out right there. This one ain't near as bad as the one on the other side. Remember, that goes forward that way. All right. Turn this around, I can get it straight up. Get the key off of there. Dig the spring out of there. Get the spacer off of there. Next little keeper, and that. There's 1, 2, 3 of them spacers, and I don't know why the kit comes with 4. And it comes with a couple extra of these. Let me look in here and see what part number it was for that kit. This is a Toro. Model number for this mower is a 20017. That's the model of this Toro. And that part number is a 105-3040. Is a part number for that, is a part number for the gear. But when you look it up, you have an option of buying the whole kit. It'll come with everything you need and then some. It will. Okay. Spin it back around. Dig some of this old dry crud out of there. Hit it with a little poof of air. And what did I do with the parts? I left them over here. Dang boy, if you're gonna do a video, you need to have your stuff together. Sorry, coach. Oh, that ain't good. Another one of these. Grab the new spring. Little dab of grease. How I'm doing is having to duck these handlebars, man. I'm gonna get hit in the head with it. A little dab of grease. Little dab of grease. The new key. The new gear that way. Spacer. Another keeper. Put the keeper on there. It's pretty tight too. It'll loosen up. All right. Now we'll put the wheel back on. Got the washer in there like we need. Mesh with the gear. All right. Get all these little things off the table. Pick up our mess and we'll try it out. Oh, let's get the camera out of the way, or the flashlight. I think I have the strongest magnet in the world. Here. All right, we'll let the table down and get this thing fired up and take off with it. Yeah, before it would just sit there and just grind and now we'll see how it does. Let's get it off the table. Give it a primey, primey. Yeah. There you go. Replacing the drive gears on a Toro 22 recycler personal pace. What did I say that model number was? 20017. She's good to go. All right, boys and girls, thanks for watching another time. If you need me, holler. I'll holler at you if you need me. Be good to each other, love each other. And man, we will catch y'all on the next one. I love you guys and girls.